Hot Birds in Oakland. I think there's other ones, but we're in Oakland. Hot Birds. Been meaning to come here for a while. Really good reputation for a good chicken sandwich. And so, here it is. It looks like a good plump piece of chicken. I'm pretty sure it's thigh, slaw, pickles. Of course, different levels of spice level, up to you. We didn't go crazy, of course. So, let's see how it is. Alright, that was really good. Juicy, crispy. She agrees.
It's my burger.
It's definitely a good one. The slaw is a good balance. Pickles important. That was really good. Good winner. Hot Birds. Get in on it. No, we did get a couple of different spice level, and this is hot. We'll see how this goes. I don't think it'll be too bad because there's like 2 more levels above this, so see how this goes. It's good spice. Definitely kicked up the heat a little bit. Yeah, I think hot is good. Good flavor. Just the right amount of heat. Also a winner. You know what else we got though? Bonus coverage. Thanks to friend Cannon and Derek. Recommendation, the fish sandwich at Hot Birds. Who knew? So, I'm gonna give it a try. You can also get a different spice level. So, hot fish sandwich diary? Wait, fish sandwich new hashtag. This is good. I don't know how you feel about fish sandwich in general. Filet-O-Fish, anyone? But this is crispy, flavorful. I actually got it medium spicy, and it works. Good rec. So, try this too. Fish Sando. Alright, so chicken, fish, fries, all really good. Hot Birds. Give it a rating, overall rating of, oh, what's happening? I don't know, it's pretty good. 8.5 out of 10 hot chickens. Agree? Sounds good? Alright, Hot Birds. Thanks.